Man, I love bird hunting. How about you, buddy? Do you love it? I'm excited today.
I do. I love it. Can we go now, please?
Chris. Well, flushed a couple out there. Oh God, he is on like Donkey Kong. Oh, there's the covey flush. Too far from me. But across that hill line right there. Dead bird. Come on, let's go get it. Is there a bird there? Something got whacked over here. Oh yeah, something whacked a quail. Huh. Oh, a little far. I know where that is now. All right, we're in them. Hey! God, I suck. Fuck. Man, we flushed like 2 coveys now, haven't hit a single thing, and I have no idea where the birds are. All right, that's what's up. Ah. Go down. I ripped feathers right off of you. It's gonna land way out there. Oh, here we go. Seriously? It was... God, that held close too. How? How am I missing? How is it possible? Wait up, Bruce. Tight holder too. What is it? Tweety bird. All right, we're doing it.
There we go.
Cigars for special occasions. All right, so check it out. Christmas. Well, it's a couple days after Christmas. And my friends at TK Loop just sent me a new pack. And I am about to give it to my buddy Mike. Check this thing out. It's a new TK Loop hunting pack.
Bruce.
Hi, buddy.
It's a good camo pattern too.
Oh, yeah.
Check the
Is
inside
it
out
like
here.
integrated frame?
It is.
No, it's external frame.
Is it?
I think so. Oh, yeah.
It is, yeah.
It's external frame.
Oh, you can pop the pack off the back and you can just carry.
Oh, and there's like
nice.
a
There's
little
like a-
game carry.
Yeah, game carry in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Carry some quarters.
Nice waterproof zippers.
What's in this thing? This is a... Oh, this is a rifle carry.
Oh.
So you put it down there,
Strap it up.
put your butt of your rifle in there, and you strap through here, I think.
That's nice, yeah.
That's cool.
That is really cool.
So it's an external frame soft pack. It's not a hard external frame, which is nice.
Yeah.
All right, so it's an external frame. Disconnects
Take a little pack up the back.
there. Game sack there.
Good chest strap.
Got a little air pocket here for cooling.
That's nice. It's the
Has water bottles.
elastic chest strap, so it doesn't get tight on you and be
Yeah.
annoying. It feels nice.
Yeah, turn around.
Yeah.
Model boy.
There you go.
Look at that. New TK Loop hunting pack.
Carry a deer back on this thing.
Yeah.
Pieces.
Yeah, check out the link. I mean, you know, I think you put like 2 quarters in there.
Oh yeah.
2
You
quarters.
could fit them in the deep pack in there.
Yeah, but that's where you put all your cool stuff.
That's true.
Yeah.
All the treasure.
All right, I'll put the link. Description. Merry Christmas, dude.
Thanks, man.
Take a shot under. Find it. Get it. Is it in here? Get it. Oh my God, that held tight. Hey, Bruce. No bird. That was really cool. Why do I still suck? Here, Bruce. Here. Here, Bruce. Come on, here. You're too far, buddy. Oh man, that was cool. But why did I miss so badly? I don't know why I suck. God dang. The holds are insane. I also suck. Still. Shot at birds, didn't hit a single thing. This is frustrating. This is like a shitty slump. You know, when some people say that, you know, it's not about the killing. It's about being out in nature and being with your dog or being with your friends and experiencing something outside. Dude, I'm like 100% about the killing. Like, I had so many shots that I just blatantly missed. We'll get a count of how many are on video, but there's shots that are off video that I missed too. So it's like, I'm a little frustrated, man. Like, I'm shooting, put the bead on the bird dodges, nothing happens. I'm like in a real bad slump. And I'm gonna say that for hunting, it's 100% about the killing for me. So today, not a killer, just a hiker that has poor shooting. That's me. Maybe I'll start like guiding instead, you know, where I find birds for other people, they shoot. I don't have to be embarrassed when I miss a whole bunch of times. I'm gonna go home, and my wife's gonna ask, how'd the hunt go? I'm like, well, shot at a whole bunch of birds, missed every single one. She's gonna be like, why do you keep going hunting? You're not hunting. Ah, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm gonna quit hunting. I'm gonna start something else. The dog training, guiding, painting. Yeah, that's it for me. I quit. I'm just kidding, I'm never gonna quit. And you know, if you wanna keep like just seeing me miss, but with like really cool editing, you know, do the whole like, subscribe, comment thing, and you can continue reveling in the fact that you are a better hunter than I am, and you probably get more women and birds because I'm a happily married man, so I got one woman. Yeah, man, do your thing, subscribe.